Well, many years he walked in darkness as he groped along the streets, with his hands stretched out for pennies or for just a bite to eat. It's the story of the blind man who met Jesus on his way, but with the master's touch, the man looked up as the scoffers heard him say, well, somebody touched me. Oh, somebody touched me. I was blind, but praise his name. Oh, I now can see. Well, I was in darkness. Oh, when Jesus found me. But since he touched me, I now am free. One day he touched the crippled man, made him to walk again. Well, the master, he saw with pleasure that he had labored not in vain. Like the story of that crippled man, I once was bound by sin. Oh, but since the master came, oh, praise his dear name. Thank God I now can say, well, somebody touched me. Somebody touched me. Oh, I was blind, but praise his name, I now can see. I was in darkness, oh, when Jesus found me. But since he touched me, oh, I now am free. Sing it with me if you would. Oh, somebody touched me. Yes, somebody touched me. You see, I was blind, but praise his name, I now can see. I was in darkness, oh, when Jesus found me. But since he touched me, I now am free. Oh, I was in darkness. Well, when Jesus found